What's up, crypto fam? Welcome back to Zacchy Crypto Update, your go-to channel for actionable insights, deep dives into blockchain tech, and straight-to-the-point market analysis. If you're looking to cut through the noise and get real value from your crypto journey, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on critical updates like this one. Today we're diving deep into an altcoin that's been quietly building, potentially gearing up for a massive move. I'm talking about Vechain. We're going to break down some crucial technical signals and, more importantly, unveil a game-changing fundamental upgrade that could fundamentally shift its trajectory. Trust me, you don't want to sleep on this. Alright, let's kick things off with the charts because price action always tells a story. And right now, Vechain's daily chart is whispering something very interesting. Just recently we saw a bullish pin bar print directly on a critical trend line and a key support level around $2.0276. Now, for those of you who might not be familiar, a pin bar is a candlestick pattern with a small body and a long wick, or tail, extending from one end. A bullish pin bar specifically has a long, lower wick, indicating that sellers tried to push the price down but buyers stepped in aggressively, rejecting lower prices and pushing it back up. This isn't just some random candle. When it appears at a significant support level like a trend line or a previous area of demand, it's a powerful signal that demand is kicking in. It tells us that, at this price point, buyers are outweighing sellers, showing strong conviction. Think of it like this: the price dipped, hit that 27.76 cent level, and then bam! A strong force of buying pressure pushed it right back up, leaving that long wick as a testament to the buying strength. This often precedes a reversal or a continuation of an upward trend. Now, if VAT can confidently flip the 32.5 cent resistance level into support, our next immediate price targets, based on this technical setup, could be 38.5 cents and then potentially 46.1 cents. These are crucial levels to watch for short to medium-term price action. This kind of setup, where you see confluence between price action and strong support, often happens in those quiet moments right before a significant altcoin rally. But here's where it gets really interesting, and why Vechain isn't just about a single candlestick pattern. Beyond the technicals, a massive fundamental catalyst is brewing. Vechain has just introduced a brand new, highly anticipated staking system called Stargate. This isn't just another small update. Stargate is scheduled to go live on July 1st, 2025, and it's coming with a whopping $15 million worth of VTHO incentives. Yes, you heard that right. 15 million in VTHOR tokens designed to reward early engagement and supercharge network activity. Why is this a big deal? Because it ties directly into Vechain's dual token model, VET and VTHO. VET is the value token, and VTHO is the gas token used for transactions on the Vechain Thor blockchain. By incentivizing VTHO generation and staking, Vechain is aiming to increase utility, drive adoption, and ultimately, make the network more robust and attractive for enterprises and individuals alike. This program fundamentally changes how VT holders can generate passive income. It gives VT holders a direct, compelling opportunity to run nodes and earn daily VTHO rewards. We're already seeing significant commitment. Current estimates show that 10.65 billion VT has already been staked into the network. That's a huge amount of VT being locked up, reducing circulating supply and creating scarcity, which, as you know, is a key driver for price appreciation. The annual yield for VT staking under Stargate is designed to range from 1.8% to a very attractive 9%, depending on the amount staked and your activity within the network. This flexibility and potential for higher returns make it appealing for a broad range of investors. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of these rewards, because the tiered system is incredibly well thought out to incentivize different levels of participation. Vechain has always had its X-node system, designed to reward loyal long-term holders. Under Stargate, these X-node holders are set to reap some of the greatest benefits. For example, Mjolnir X-nodes, these are the big ones with a significant VT holding, are expected to collect up to 35,000 VTHO per day. Think about that daily income. Thunder X nodes could collect approximately 9,800 VTHO per day. Strength X nodes around 2,250 VTHO per day. Even a VTHOR X node with a stake of 600,000 VT could see around 550 VTHO per day. But it's not just for the whales. Vechain is making staking more accessible than ever with new economic node tiers. For instance, Mjolnir economic nodes, 15 million VT, are allotted 28,000 VTHO per day. Thunder economic nodes, 5 million VT, get 7,000 VTHO. Strength economic nodes, 1 million VET, yield 880 VTHO. And here's the really inclusive part. They've introduced new smaller tiers to onboard more participants. Flash, 200,000 VT, pays 130 VTHO per day. Lightning, 50,000 VET, gets you 28 VTHO per day. And for smaller holders, the Dawn tier, 10,000 V, yields around 5 VTHO per day. This tiered system is crucial. It ensures that everyone, from large enterprises to smaller retail investors, can participate, contribute to network security, and earn passive income. This broadens the base of engaged users and strengthens the entire Vechain ecosystem. To help you figure out your potential earnings, Vechain has even launched 2 user-friendly tools, the Vechain Stats VTHO Staking Estimator and Redefine Staking Calculator. These are community-developed tools, which is fantastic, as it shows strong ecosystem support. They allow you to simulate rewards based on your VT holdings and chosen node tiers. The Redefine Simulator is particularly powerful for automatically determining the best configurations, while Vechain Stats offers added features and graphical outputs to compare current and future rewards under the new system. This transparency and ease of use are powerful adoption drivers. Now, Stargate isn't just a standalone program, it's a key piece of a much larger monumental initiative for Vechain called the Renaissance Upgrade. And a critical component of that renaissance is the Hayabusa upgrade. Hayabusa is all about technical improvements that will significantly enhance the Vechain Thor blockchain's performance. We're talking about reduced gas fees, which is huge for enterprise adoption. Lower transaction costs make the blockchain more economically viable for businesses running high volumes of transactions. Increased speed of transactions means faster confirmation times, leading to more efficient operations. This is critical for supply chain management and other real-world applications where speed really matters. Improved cross-chain communication allows Vechain to interact more seamlessly with other blockchains, expanding its interoperability and potential use cases. And let's not forget about increased privacy through zero-knowledge proofs. This is a cutting-edge privacy technology. For enterprises dealing with sensitive data on a public blockchain, zero-knowledge proofs provide a way to verify information without revealing the underlying data itself. This is a massive step towards attracting more large-scale enterprise clients who prioritize data privacy. These technical enhancements are not just nice-to-haves, they are fundamental to scaling Vechain's capabilities and expanding its application among enterprise customers. Imagine Walmart or BMW, both known to work with Vechain, leveraging a blockchain that's faster, cheaper, and more private. The Hayabusa upgrade provides the underlying infrastructure to truly deliver on Vechain's promise of real-world adoption. The combination of the Renaissance and Hayabusa upgrades, leading into Stargate, paints a picture of a network that's not just growing, but evolving strategically to meet the demands of a global digital economy. In the past, running certain nodes required substantial VET holdings. Now, with tiers like Dawn, Lightning, and Flash, even smaller players are able to participate directly in securing the network and gaining substantial returns. This increased participation isn't just about rewards, it's about further decentralizing the network and making it more resilient. A more distributed network of node operators means greater security and robustness, which is critical for any blockchain aiming for enterprise-level adoption. And it's clear Vechain is committed to transparent communication. To support this massive rollout, they recently held a live stream session with CEO Sunny Liu, communications lead Jake Campton, and product manager Rosa Simioli. These direct interactions with the community, discussing the Stargate program and future network developments, are invaluable. It shows a team that's confident, engaged, and willing to answer questions directly, which builds trust and confidence among investors. So, what does all this mean for Vechain VT moving forward? We're looking at a convergence of strong technical signals and powerful fundamental catalysts. When you combine strong technical support with a major fundamental catalyst like Stargate, you create a compelling narrative for potential significant price appreciation. This isn't just hype, it's a strategic evolution of a blockchain that already has established real-world use cases. This could indeed be one of those quiet moments before a very big move for Vechain. The information shared in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and understand the risks involved in any cryptocurrency investment. Past performance is not indicative of future results. So, what are your thoughts on Vechain's Stargate and the Hayabusa upgrade? Are you bullish on VT's future? Let me know in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your crypto friends, and if you haven't already, subscribe to Zacchy Crypto Update for more in-depth analysis and timely insights. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there and happy investing.